देखिए एक्चुअली अभी हम डिफरेंशिएशन फ्रॉम फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल करें, ठीक है। एक्चुअली ये सेशन खत्म होने के बाद व्यू और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा, ठीक है। ये डिफरेंशिएशन फ्रॉम फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल डिफरेंशिएशन DIFF differentiation DIFF differentiation from first principle clear? Differentiation from first principle, okay. DIFF from first principle, okay. अच्छा ये देखिए एक्चुअली डिफरेंशिएशन का फॉर्मूला क्या है वो थोड़ा देख लीजिएगा, ठीक है। ये है सपोज करिए कि y इज इक्वल टू एफ एक्स, y इज इक्वल टू एफ एक्स होगा तो इज इक्वल टू एक्स टू दी पावर n होगा और dy बाई डी एक्स जो है dy बाई डी एक्स दैट इज इक्वल टू एफ डैश एक्स, ये तो पता है आपको एन एक्स टू दी पावर n माइनस। नंबर 2 फॉर्मूला देखिए y इज इक्वल टू एफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू ई टू दी पावर एक्स और dy बाई डी एक्स इज इक्वल टू एफ डैश एक्स इज इक्वल टू ई टू दी पावर एक्स। नंबर 3 फॉर्मूला देखिए y इज इक्वल टू एफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू log x टू दी बेस c यदि होगा तो dy बाई डी एक्स इज इक्वल टू एफ डैश एक्स इज इक्वल टू 1 बाई एक्स, ठीक है। और नंबर 4 y इज इक्वल टू एफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू a टू दी पावर x होगा तो dy बाई डी एक्स इज इक्वल टू एफ डैश एक्स a टू दी पावर x log a टू दी बेस। क्लियर? अच्छा हाँ ये तो एल्जेब्रिकल एक्सप्रेशन हो गया। अब ये नंबर 5 देखिए y इज इक्वल टू एफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू साइन एक्स हुआ तो क्या हुआ dy बाई डी एक्स इज इक्वल टू एफ डैश एक्स इज इक्वल टू साइन एक्स का डेरिवेटिव होता है कॉस एक्स। क्लियर? नंबर 6 देखिए नंबर 6 लाइन साउंड है नंबर 6 5 के बाद ये 6 y इज इक्वल टू एफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू cos x तो dy बाई डी एक्स इज इक्वल टू एफ डैश एक्स इज इक्वल टू माइनस cos x, ठीक है। 7 y इज इक्वल टू एफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू साइन कॉस हो गया 10 x dy बाई डी एक्स एफ डैश एक्स ये हो जाएगा सेक स्क्वायर एक्स क्लियर। अब ये देखिए 8 नंबर, y इज इक्वल टू एफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू कॉट एक्स, dy by dx इज इक्वल टू एफ डैश एक्स इज इक्वल टू माइनस कॉस एक्स स्क्वायर एक्स। क्लियर। 9 नंबर, y is equal to fx is equal to एक हो गया, y is equal to fx is equal to cos x, तो dy by dx is equal to cos x, dy by dx is equal to f dash x is equal to minus cos x cot x। क्लियर। cot x का होगा माइनस cos x स्क्वायर एक्स, और cos x होगा माइनस cos x cot, और tan x का डेरिवेटिव होगा 6। अब ये नंबर 10 देखिएगा, नंबर 10 y is equal to fx is equal to sin inverse x, so dy by dx is equal to f dash x is equal to 1 divided by under root 1 minus x, 1 minus x square। क्लियर। ये 2 है, ठीक है। तो ये हो गया 10 नंबर, y इज इक्वल टू एफ एक्स इक्वल टू साइन इनवर्स एक्स। तो ये एक्चुअली देखिए लास्ट वाला छोड़ दे रहे हैं, इसके बाद वाला 11 होगा, जगह नहीं इसमें मिटा, देख लीजिए। नंबर 11, 10 के बाद 11। ग्यारह नंबर, y is equal to f x is equal to cos inverse x, dy by dx is equal to f dash x is equal to minus 1 divided by under root 1 minus x। अब 12 नंबर देखिएगा, नंबर 12 होगा y is equal to fx is equal to tan inverse x, so dy by dx is equal to f dash x is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus x। 13 number, y is equal to fx is equal to cot inverse x, so dy by dx is equal to f dash x is equal to minus of 1 plus x। 14 numbers. Y is equal to fx is equal to sec inverse x. dy by dx is equal to f dash x is equal to 1 divided by mod of x under root x square minus 1. Clear? Okay. And this is sec inverse. Now you come to cosec inverse, number 15. Y is equal to fx is equal to cosec inverse x. Cosec inverse x. So dy by dx is equal to f dash x is equal to minus of 1 divided by mod of x into under root x square. अच्छा, यहाँ पे ये जगह थोड़ा कम पड़ रहा है, तो इसको मिटा के हम इधर लिखे, ठीक है, तो थोड़ा स्पेस कम पड़ रहा है, लिखने में थोड़ा दिक्कत है, इसको मिटा देना है। Number 15. Number 15 देखिए, y is equal to fx is equal to cosec inverse. Sorry. Cosec inverse x. So dy by dx is equal to f dash x is equal to minus of 1 divided by mod x into under root x square minus 2. So that's all of the formula of differentiation. You just see, this is cos inverse x, this will be minus, this is tan inverse x, this is cot inverse x, this will be minus, sec inverse x, this is, and cosec inverse x, this is minus and this is minus. Okay. So that's all of the formula of differentiation. Now you just see, actually, I'm going to actually verify this formula with the help of the first with the help of the first principle or with the help of limit method. Okay? You can say in another way also. Okay? So you just see, I am rubbing this. This part I am erasing. Let's see. You just see here, you know, the actually first principle formula is y is equal to fx. Suppose y is equal to fx, that is equal to x to the power n is given. Okay. So in this case, what you will do? You will do ddx of y. That means ddx of y. Y, that means dy by dx, or okay, and that is equal to f dash x. Okay. Or you can say, you can write in this way also. ddx of actually fx, yeah, and this and the bracket, yeah. A little bit it becomes some distant, so closely you write in this way. That is okay. So derivative of fx, you will get f dash x. Okay. Clear? In this way you can also write either in this way or this way or this way f dash x, or this way you can. Clear? Is that clear? So that is equal to limit h tends to 0 fx plus h minus fx divided by h. Okay. Limit h tends to 0 fx plus h minus fx divided by h. You just see, I am doing this one. Y is equal to fx, that is equal to x to the power. Or we can find in this way also. Y is equal to fx plus h. Replace x by x plus h. Then this will be x plus h to the power n. Clear? So in this way we can do here. Fine. We shall do limit h tends to 0, 0, and this will be the value of x plus h is x plus h to the power n, and the value of function fx is x to the power n. Clear? And divided by h. Clear? Okay. As you know, as h tends to 0, you just see here, as h tends to 0, 0. Clear? As h tends to 0, then what will happen here? Actually, I am considering x plus a as z. Okay. Let here I am considering let x plus h is equal to z. Clear? Okay. So as h tends to 0, when h value you will give here 0, then x is equal to z. Clear? Okay. as h tends to 0, z tends to actually x, as h tends to 0, tends to x. This is comma, just here. And here I have considered x plus h is equal to z. Then x is equal to z, that means z tends to x here. We can write in this way also, z tends to x. Clear? So what will be here? I will change the limit here. Limit z tends to actually x. Clear? And this will be z to the power n minus x to the power n divided by h. Clear? H is what will be here? The value of h will be here. You just see here. H is equal to here z minus h. Clear? So in place of this, in place of h, I will write here the value of h is z minus h. Z minus h. Okay? So you just see here. So directly we can write here. Now we can write here that is equal to nx to the power n minus 1. Because as we have changed here limit, we can write here directly ddx of fx is equal to n x to the power n minus. Clear? This has been proved here. Okay? Fine. So you understood? Clear? So this is true. Okay. Differentiation from first principle. Clear? That's all of this sum. Then I am erasing it. Okay. Next sum I am going to do on this method. Let's see. You know, actually, dy by dx is equal to f dash x is equal to if y is equal to e to the power x is 0. Okay. So the derivative of this is e to the power x. Then how it will happen, you just see here. You have to see. Just see. Here, as the value of fx, y is equal to fx. Actually, this value is fx. Y is equal to fx is equal to e to the power. Since fx is equal to e to the power x, therefore fx plus h is equal to e to the power x plus h. Clear? Fine. Okay. Formula is what? Limit s tends to 0. Limit s tends to 0. Fx plus h minus fx by h. Okay. Clear? So this will be here. Limit s tends to 0, and this will be a e to the power x plus h, and this is e to the power x divided by h, and this is limit s tends to 0. Take e to the power x common here. Then this is e to the power h minus 1 divided by h. Yeah. As here given here limit s tends to 0, so e to the power x can be taken out of the limit here. You just see here e to the power x is taken out of the limit. Limit s tends to 0, and this is e to the power h minus 1 divided by h. Yeah. So we can write in place of entire, that is equal to 1, or so this is equal to power x is the answer. So yeah, or you can write the answer also. Because this is already actually known to you, just you will have to prove it. Clear? This becomes here e to the power x by the first principle. Okay. One trigonometrical function I am going to explain to you. You will do y is equal to fx. Now I am erasing it. You just see. Okay. You just see how I am